Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a magical salt watercolor painting. So grab some salt, your watercolor paints, and a brush, and let's get started. Okay, so you will need your paper, some watercolor paints. You're also going to need some salt, a bottle of school glue or Elmer's, and water and a paintbrush. So what you'll do is you're actually going to draw whatever your idea is, design, picture of some sort. You're going to draw on this piece of paper first, and I'm actually going to start with a pencil. That way if I make a mistake, I can erase it, right? Once I start drawing with glue or tracing my drawing with glue and make a mistake, I'm gonna just have to roll with it. I'm just gonna have to embrace the mistake at that point. So start with a pencil and create your drawing or your design on your paper. I'm just going to do a couple of designs here to show you how it works. One tip I have for you is to draw big. Tracing with glue can be a little bit tricky. The lines that you get with glue, they're thicker. So drawing big will really benefit you down the line. Thank you so much for making art with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see your salt paintings, so have a grown-up take a photo of your art and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.